Hello. Hi. This is my first time attempting voiceover, so let's see how this goes. I wanted to make a little video showing the freshman dorm I stayed in this past year because I was struggling to find videos of it online that were more recent, so yeah. I was in one of the suite style rooms where you and your roommate share a bathroom with the room next to you because I just didn't feel like subjecting myself to a hall style bathroom. Thankfully, we didn't really have too many issues, other than we had near constant 2 a.m. fire alarms the first semester, and we had a small issue with our bathroom, and our AC leaked quite a bit and was loud as hell. You can hear it in the background of these clips, but in the grand scheme of things, we were actually pretty good. Most people had issues with their bathrooms at least one point or another, but we were pretty lucky in that regard. As a mild side note with the front door, there's a peephole in it for obvious reasons, and I use that to watch so much drama. I watched two couples break up in the hallway. It was free entertainment, and it was great. When you first walk into the room, there's one of the closets directly to your right, and my roommate and I put little hooks to put our keys on it so we could know where they were. The closets are pretty spacious, especially by dorm standards, and especially up top, there's some good storage potential if you're not 5'2", how I am. Next to that, there's the vanities. Because there isn't a sink in the actual bathroom, you get a sink in the primary bedroom you're in. It's really weird adjusting to. I didn't film in the bathroom for privacy reasons, and also because it gets bad ventilation, so it's just kind of gross in there all of the time. It's in between the two rooms that are connected with these barn doors, so it just has one tiny little vent for a shower and a toilet being used by minimum 4 people. So the beds are standard dorm affair, twin extra long, hard as a rock, and the feng shui guy's worst nightmare. The drawers underneath do come with the room, so I put other clothes I like to fold and random bits and bobs I didn't really know where to put anywhere there, along with putting some stuff on top of the drawers that fit in that little gap. There is space between the beds and the divider half wall between your and your roommate's bed, where I can just barely squeeze my portfolio in there, and it was really helpful for storing that. Also, all of the outlets are upside down. I don't know why, and I honestly don't really want to know why. The desks are desks. I don't really know what to say other than put a pillow on the chair because it's hard plastic and you can't use it as a stool or anything. I would definitely recommend putting up some kind of decor on the walls, which I did above my desk and by my bed, and honestly any spare space I had, because it really does start to feel like you're in a hospital room after a little bit. So The room comes with the microwave and the mini fridge freezer combo. Emphasis on the mini, specifically with the freezer. You can fit like like 3 boxes of like Hot Pockets in there and like not much else. Okay, bye.